Well, hey there, my friend. I'm Abby, creator and owner of Abbi Kirsten Collections. Today, I am super excited to announce the winner of our Cricut Maker 3 giveaway in collaboration with Creative Fabrica. In case you don't know, Creative Fabrica is an unlimited digital platform where crafters and creators can access millions of beautiful fonts, typography, and graphics for their craft project designs. Last week, I announced that Abbi Kirsten Collections and Creative Fabrica have teamed up to give away a Cricut Maker 3 to one lucky person in our community. So without further ado, congrats to Jocelynn Domenack. Jocelynn, as the winner, you will be emailed directly by Creative Fabrica's team to the email address that is connected with your Creative Fabrica account. Creative Fabrica will take care of arranging the shipment of your Cricut Maker 3 prize, so be on the lookout for that email from them. Now, if you didn't win, don't worry. Here's the deal. Everyone can be a winner with the Creative Fabrica's $1 All Access deal. Creative Fabrica is generously offering the Abbi Kirsten Collections community unlimited access to over 3 million graphics and fonts at $1 for your first month. There are absolutely no limits, all the files come with commercial use, and you can cancel at any time, no questions asked. Plus, new designs and fonts are added daily on Creative Fabrica, so there's always something new to find. Be sure to follow the link in the video description to snag the $1 All Access deal, and I'll see you there. And once again, congratulations, Jocelynn. I hope you will enjoy your Cricut Maker 3.